Vibhuti, pouring forth in steady stream, display of Vibhuti. So auspicious is its might, it grants liberation. Baba's Vibhuti, its power protects me. Sai Baba's Vibhuti, its power protects me. Mangalam Gurudevaya, Mangalam Vyanadayini, Mangalam Parthivasaya, Mangalam Sarvasaya. जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ 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 शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
Good afternoon, everyone. Most of you, I expect, have been to the funeral area on today, and you've heard some fabulous things said about Dr. Rajinder Sood, my chacha. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kamal, and I'm the nephew and the son of my chacha's older brother, Ram Sood, who was sitting over there.
Neelam's brother.
Neelam's brother to you.
In Glasgow, Didi is his brother.
Yes. Not everybody Didi. I would just like to take the opportunity to say a few words about my chacha